Abby, sometimes I love my ex, and other times I feel I hate him. I hate her. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me again at Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel dedicated specifically for you, so helps you navigate your relationship issues. In previous videos, I have mentioned the importance of believing that which you want. Now, it's not about just believing that which you want for the sense of believing. It's for the feeling that comes with that belief. Remember, anything that is law of attraction is energy based, and we need to have a feeling of amazingness within ourselves to raise our energy frequency. Now, clarity is an extremely important component of the law of attraction. We need to learn to separate emotions. We have to discard the love to hate, hate to love emotional quandary. You have to focus on the belief of what makes you happy, of how he made you feel, how she was so amazing to be around. Remember, when we talk about, I love my ex at one moment and I hate him at the next moment, we are under the impression also that the opposite of love is hate. It's not. The opposite of love is fear. And when we have fear, that's where the hate emerges. So it's important to have clarity exactly of where we're going with this, what our goal is. You can't lose track of the reasons we want our exes back, which basically narrow down to the fact that they made you happy. It's much more than love. Love is an important component without a doubt. But the ability to make each other happy, the ability to be looking forward to seeing each other. Why? Not about because, oh my gosh, I love them, I love them. No, it's because together we complement each other. We're happy. We do well with each other. It is very, very important to lift our energy frequency by being in the same energy as our exes are. And this is the way we become receptive. So it's important to maintain that sense of clarity of what it is that our ultimate goal is. But Abby, I've done everything you've said. I really feel, I've meditated. I try so hard to just think of all the positive, but I can't help it. Well, guess what? What it's telling you is you need to really apply more effort. Because what you need to remember, you have to focus in the way you feel, not on what is actually transpiring. Because if you're actually now just thinking, well, I did this and I did that, and I everything Abby said, and guess what? Still hasn't called. She's still dating someone else. I'm still blocked. All of these things, we are positioning ourselves to reattract negative energy. What we have to do is we have to just say to ourselves, this is my ultimate goal. Clarity. Know exactly what it is that you're looking for. And you also have to believe all the reasons why you too are amazing for your ex. We sometimes tend to just dedicate and all our energy and what they were all about. And we disregard of what we bring to the table. And that in and of itself devalues us and continues to put them on that pedestal. And I know I've talked about it several times, but when we are on a pedestal, we have no other choice but to devalue all those that are underneath us. So we cannot position ourselves that way. We must always remind ourselves, be completely clear that you too are the prize, that you too bring a tremendous amount of value to the relationship. So clarity is a very important component of the law of attraction. Actually, I look at it as the first step. We can't sit and try to manifest or visualize or script or any of the other variables that we were going to be talking about during these series if we're not clear of what we're looking at. So I think it's important to really stay focused on the end goal. Please remember to hit the subscribe button below to your channel. Remember, Love Advice TV is your channel. It's done for you, exclusively for you. It's all about you. Please also put any of the comments regarding this video or any other videos below. I would read each and every one of them and respond in a timely fashion. Coach Alex, Adrian, Natalie, Danny, Priyanka, myself, we're all available to help you in any way we can. Additionally, I have to say I'm beyond excited to offer a video product that deals exclusively with the law of attraction in depth. It's almost peeling the onion of all the different concepts, and it's available to you by clicking in the space provided below. I also would like to have an opportunity for you to book a session with me. We can discuss how important clarity is, how to define it. Sometimes we don't even know what we really want. And it's important to be able to define it with a positive tilt to it, not as if it's lacking. We need to make sure that our energy level stays in high frequency. So please, once again, book a session with me. It'll be my pleasure to assist you in any way possible. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.